Good day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden on this beautiful July day. Just want to show you a couple things in the garden here. The hydrangea white wedding, I just love it. Shahrazad, this spectacular lily with white agapanthus in the back. But the plant I really want to show you today is this fabulous black-eyed Susan daisy, or Rudbeckia. This is one called Glitters Like Gold. You know this kind of plant. We know Rudbeckia, Goldsturm, and all those ones that have been around for a while. This is a relatively new one from one of my favorite breeders, Brent Horvath of Intrinsic Perennials in Illinois, and I just love it. It's it's standing straight up. I've got a little support for it just because I've had so much rain, quite truthfully. But it just has a ton of flowers. And I'm looking hard here, and you can look with me. I don't see any disease. I don't see any fungus, any bacteria or anything. I don't even see any bug bites. So Glitters Like Gold, a relatively new Rudbeckia for landscapers and gardeners, and boy, it is terrific. And it just weaves itself beautifully through the entire garden, whether it's with a buddleia like Pugster Pink or, as I mentioned, roses like Brindabella. So have a ball, have fun, but take a look at this Rudbeckia. Glitters Like Gold, certainly one of my favorites. All right, everybody, have a good time. Hope to see you in lovely Athens, Georgia. Come visit me, and I'll see you down the garden path.